In this video, we will enter data for some of the most commonly used tables in Links. Your Links administrator should be present for this training. To add data to your tables, go to your admin module, then select Site, Table Maintenance. From the drop-down menu, you can see there is a long list of tables that can be entered. In this video, we will just set up some of the most common tables used. First, select the table you wish to add to using the Subject drop-down menu. Let's start with booking adjustment reasons. These are used when increasing or decreasing a student's class fees. Once you have selected the table, go to Add New Value. You will need to enter a description or code for the value. The details box does not need to be filled in, but can be used if you want to add further information. So let's add a reason of admin error. Type in the description, details if needed, then click Apply to add to the list. Let's add to some of the other commonly used tables. Select Class Cancellation Reason and enter any reasons used when cancelling a student from a class, such as moving away, changed mind, or moving to another class. Select Client Status. This is used when defining what status a client is, such as community group, school, or dance group. Select Contact Reason. These are used when leaving a note against a customer's profile in customer marketing. Select Facility Booking Instruction List. These are instructions that can be used when making a facility booking. For example, set up hoops for someone hiring a basketball court. Select Family Credit Increase Reason. These are used when increasing family credit for a student's family in the Classes module. Select Health Issues. These are used when adding health issues to customer information in the customer screen. Entries here must have a 3-letter code, then add the name of the condition in the description. For example, EPI for epilepsy, HRT for heart condition, or ART for arthritis. Select Membership Expiry Reason. These are used when entering in why someone has cancelled their membership, such as not using membership or moving away. Select the Membership Suspension Reason table. These are used to show the reason a member is suspending their membership, such as going on holiday or injury. Select the Prime Usage table. These are used when selecting what your facilities for hire will be used for example, basketball, birthday party, or centre tour. Select the Public Holidays table and enter in any public holidays that apply to your centre. Select the Skills table. These are the skills or qualifications you will be able to select from when entering in your staff members. Select Staff Roles. These are the roles you can place against your staff members for retention and availability purposes. Select Stock Adjustment Reason. These are the reasons used when having to increase or decrease stock on hand. For example, past use by date, damaged stock, or promotional stock. If you no longer require use of a particular entry in table maintenance, you can delete it if it has not been used. Or, if it has been used, you can set it to inactive and it will no longer be able to be used. Once you have entered the relevant data into the tables, click Close. Table maintenance can be entered on the fly by those with administrative security access in Links, but can be restricted for other security groups. This feature is recommended to be restricted to ensure tables stay neat. In the next video, we will set the mandatory fields for entering in customer information.